Hey guys, what's up and welcome. It's Matthew here, the designer and developer from South Africa. Let me just quickly show you a demo of where we are and what we are able to do. So as you can see, we can switch between like and dark theme, and then we can also search for a certain contact here. Okay, and then from there we can go back to dark and we can log out when we want to. Okay, now this is just a chat application. If you want, you can sign up. This will route to sign up page. Just a moment. I'm not sure why it's a bit slow, but it can take you to sign up. As you can see, guys, then if you want to go back to sign in, you can go back here and then we can sign in. So what we want to do now, we've just realized that these contacts that are here, these are all the contacts that are in the system, people who have registered. So you need to maybe use this button to invite them or send a friend request. Okay, so these are not your contact list. But if you look at chat application, somewhere here, these are the people who are in your contact list, the people that you can some sort of start a conversation with. Okay, as you can see somewhere here. Okay, so what we want to do now, we want to change this. Okay, you need to click a button and then this is supposed to appear. Well, there is a component that I forgot to put here. Okay, which is Mtt pop-up. Okay, let's quickly try to implement it, even though it's not here, but it's there on the actual Mtt component folder. Okay, so what we are going to do, still on the same page, where is that page? Somewhere here, I guess. What I want to do, I want to put a button here, okay, for invite, for inviting a friend. Let's see where that is. Tell client. Is this where I want to be? I think so. Wait, the JSX here, is it? Oh, okay, this is on the layout, right? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's put this button here on the same place. Okay, let me just comment this and let's put a button here first. Okay, button from ShotCN UI library, and then let's say invite. My apologies about that, I'm sneezing. Invite a friend. Invite a friend. Okay, let's see how this is going to look like. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm happy with this. Invite a friend. And then what I want, when you click here, I want a pop-up, a modal to appear here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use Mtt pop-up. Okay, Mtt pop-up. It's been a while since I have used this component, so I forgot about how to use it, but I will try. I think it's a wrapper. It takes in some content. Okay, so let's check here what are the things that it's expecting. Let's see what are its own props. Title, let's say title, it's supposed to be what are we doing? Search a friend, invite a friend, send a friend request. Yeah, let's just say invite a friend for now. What else? Children, I've got the children. I think, what do I put on content? Let me just here content, and then let me just put whatever. Okay, let me just put content. Okay, I think this is supposed to work. Okay, I have wrapped this button with this, so when I click this button, this is supposed to do whatever that is supposed to do. Let's go back here and see, is the button there? Yes. Let me refresh just to make sure. Okay, and then let's click here, guys, and see. This is supposed to work, as you can see. Okay, invite a friend, and we've got content. Now my question is why this is like this. Okay, I can close it here. It's working, but it's too off the screen. Okay, let me just zoom out so that I can see everything. As you can see, it looks like it's too long. Okay, this is something I can fix. That's not much of a problem. Invite a friend. This is content. Okay, so let me push what inside content. Redo. Okay, so inside content, let me push this table. Okay, inside content, let me push this table. Okay, and let's see. Okay, as you can see, okay, so you can search for friends here, redirect. I'm happy with this. Okay, search for friend and close, but I'm not happy with let's go to this component. Okay, let's see what I was thinking here. Where does it start? Relatable content, translate x0, translate y, p0, bg transparent, width 100% view width. Okay, let me try to do this first. These translation, let me just remove them, and let's see how this component is going to behave. It looks like without translation this component works fine. And what else? Okay, as you can see, I can cancel here when I want to. This is interesting. Okay, and what else? Do I like these borders? I don't think so. Let's go back here and check PG base. Let's remove the PG base and see. Not really. This is not what I want. Okay, PG base is fine. Transparent width. What else? Okay, let's see. Width is equal to full. Where is this container coming from? Height is equal to width. Let's see. Width. Can't the width be fit content? Okay, and also the height to fit the content. Let's see. Okay, I'm happy with this, but I'm not sure about this outline though. Okay, I'm not sure about the outline. Then how to I remove that? I think that is mine for me to figure out behind the scene, but I think this is just a simple thing. This is just a simple thing. Let's see. Transparent red width, I'm happy with that. Or maybe this is on ShadCN's component actually. Let's see, elector content. Flex with full, relative with full, X. Okay, let me check here, guys. Maybe I manipulated ShadCN's dialog box for X. Let's see, trying with full, translate X 50. Background. Is there anything that has got something to do with the border here? Nothing. Let's see, border. Okay, let me remove this border and see. So, yes. Okay, now after I've removed the border, that is gone. I'm happy with this, guys. Okay, I think this component will stay like this. I think I'm happy with this component as is like this. Okay, so as you can see, when you want to add a friend, then you can search for a friend here, and then if this is for adding friends, can't I only have a button here for add a friend? Okay, because I'm not interested in making a lot of things here, if I can be honest. Okay, I want this just to be for sending a friend request, and that's it. Okay. What else could you do here? Come here and do what? Block a friend that you don't really know. Okay, so let's go back here and just fine tune this. Let's go back where? Let's go back here. Where do I want to be? I want to be on chat area, on table client, and then I want to come to the cell. Okay, status. Let me make this action. I don't think this is supposed to be part of these. And then what do I want to do here? I want to return, but not to return a select. I want to return a button. Okay, let's see. Button from shots and component. Okay. So I'm sending a friend request. There's a difference between inviting you and friend request. Okay. Request friendship. Or let's just say request. Okay. Let's see. It's active. We don't really need this. Okay, let's go back here and see. As you can see, the only thing that you can do is to request a friendship. I'm not sure why this border is here again. Let me think what, or let me think. Okay, let's click here. Okay, happy with this. And then what do I want to do next? Let me make this a little bit, let's go back where. Okay, I want to be I want to be here. I want to be here. Mtt pop-up. What else do I want to do? Everything is fit content. So the content is the one that can determine the width and height, which is where is the content. This one. Okay. So if this content, which is Mtt table, there is loading width is equal to full. Let's make it width of, let's say 500 pixel. Let's see. Is this gonna grow or what? Yes. Okay, this is much better. I'm happy with this. Okay, and the height, let's make it a height of full. Is full going to work? Or let's see. Okay, let's just click cancel, refresh, and let's see. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay, let's see the light mode. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay, so you can request. Okay, so invite friends. Is it request? Let's just leave request for now. Okay, I'm happy with this. And then what I want to do when I'm sending a request, let me go to my schema so that I could be reminded of what I was planning. So I think I need to add to a folder which is request, to a table. Where is my schema? Where is my schema? Okay, let me close this. Let me close this. Close Mtt component, close components, Prisma, schema. Let's check requests. Okay. Yes, here is requests. So what's going on here on request? Sent by. Do I have my ID? Yes, on the login session. Okay. Sent to. Do I have the list of that person's ID? Yes, I have. Let's see. Sent by, sent to. Then do we have some chats? No. So let me just do what? Request status, default pending. Let me create an endpoint for this. Okay, let me create an endpoint for this. Let me just come here and let me go to sign in. In fact, on sign up, on API. Sorry for this. Let me go to API. Where is my API? Is it on app? Yes, API, and then on root. In fact, on root. Is this users? Nope. On root, and then requests. Okay. And then on request, let's say this route is friend request. Okay. .ts. I'm happy with this. Let's go to this form signer. Nope, I'm not on API here. This is what I want. Okay, let me just copy all of this and go to friend request and create a file there, which is route.ts, then paste it as it is. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make some changes here. Let's see. Okay, am I going to receive form data? Not really. I'm not going to receive some form data. I want request.json because this is going to be a JSON object. Okay. And then what am I going to receive? I think I might need the schema. Okay. I think I might need the schema. Where? Here is the schema. I don't want send by. Oh. Okay, let's see. Sent by user ID. This is what I want. And sent to user ID. Let's go back to that route. And then what I want to const sent by user ID is equal to let's say data data dot is this the case? Yes, data dot this as a string. Okay, and also go back to the schema. Data sent by, data sent to user. Then go back here, paste and paste. All right, we have not used these. Yes, make sure that this is available, must be available. Then I can delete these. Okay, let me just close this. Okay, required UI data, or let's say required UI fields not supplied. I'm happy with this. And then from then, I think I'm ready to create, let's say try. Okay, I don't need all other things. Okay. Don't I want to know if there is a user request between these two guys? But first, let me try to let's see. Let me first create this record. Okay. Created friend request. Is equal to singleton prisma dot request dot create, and the data should be this one. Okay, I can remove all of these and put this and then comma. And what else? This one. Okay, let's see. Okay, what else? I don't think I need the other one. Okay, let's see if this is not true. Request not created. Then from then we don't really need some cookies and other things. Let's just use this and return this created user where I'm here. Okay, and I think that's all. Okay, and then what I want to do, I want to go to the form. Okay, I want to go to the form. Where is that form? On root, chat area, or the table. Okay, so what I want to do here, I want to create a mutation. Okay, let's see. I think we have a mutation code on sign up. Okay, we have a mutation code on sign up. Form mutation. Okay, where is form mutation? As a method that has been defined. I don't think I need the console logs anymore. Save. This is a form mutation. Okay, so let me go to that table. Then in this table, okay, where I am now. Okay, this is the table. Okay, this is met table, right? What do I want to do? What do I want to? Yes, I want met table. Am I sure? Let's see. Let's see, what do I want to do? Here are the keys, and where is that request? Here is it. So this form mutation needs to be here. Okay, and then are we going to convert some data to things? No, let's just receive the data. Okay, and then is it me or what? Form mutation. I don't think this is what I want. I don't think this is what I copied. Let's go back to form sign up. Form.mutate. This is not what I want. I want form mutation, not dot mutate. Here is what I was supposed to have copied. This one. And then let's go back to the table. And then the table. Okay, let me just undo here, of course. Okay, as you can see. Form mutation, use mutation. Friend request. Okay, as a mutation key. And then in terms of the data, I'm just going to receive just data. Then I'm going to create all right, let's see. Now this table needs to access what? To access some utilities, okay? And all of these toast and whatever. So it needs to be what? It needs to be a high order component. It needs to be a high order component. How am I going to do that? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. How am I going to do that? Or maybe for now, maybe for now, let me just import these as they are. Let's import these from where they were supposed to be. For instance, this is met what? Met fetch. Where is create? Can't I get this from met fetch? Import this from met fetch create. Nope, this is not the create that I'm looking for. Create API hook create token create domain create. Nope. Don't I have this from met fetch? Let's see which one is it on met fetch. Okay, I think it's also create. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Return. Oh, okay. This is what? This is a hook. Okay. This is a hook. So I can't just get create. So that means I have to say const create is equal to use met fetch. Okay, that means I can get create from there. Now I got create. That means I can create this, and then I will receive this data, not necessarily from data. Data is a JSON toast. Let's import this from ShadCN. Hooks from ShadCN. Done with this reset. I don't need to reset any forms, right? Let me reset the forms. And then what else? Redirect. When I'm done with this, do I have to redirect? Let me dismiss that for now. Okay. All right. What else do I need? Form methods. I don't think so. I don't need a React hook form. So that means when somebody clicks that button, I just have to use this form mutation. Okay. And I'm passing this data. Okay. Then I'm going to pass this data here. Okay. Sounds cool to me. Where is that button? Okay. On click. On click. Form mutate. Let's see. Can't I destructure what I want to destructure from? Okay, let me leave form mutation as it is. My apologies about that. Form mutation dot mutate, and then we need to pass some data here. And the data that we want to pass is the one that is on the API. Okay, let's check the API here. And then this is what we want. This one. Go back. Okay, go back again. This one and API, and which one? And this one, and this one. Okay, so where am I going to get these data? Okay, let's see. Where is value coming from? It's declared, but it's never used. Let's say, how do I get, what do I want? What do I want? What do I want? Let's see. Let me see what data am I getting back? Where I'm in the folder. Where are you getting this data? You are getting this data as user list. Okay. And then in this user list, let's see. user list user, and then where is the table? This is a column definition. I've got this. Okay, and what else? This is the image. Now what I want to do, okay, I want the user ID, okay, of what? Of the current user. That's what I want. Okay, let me see if I can get something here. Const t is equal to val dot okay, row. Isn't there something called original? Dot original, I think we're getting there. And then dot I think I might get a user ID here. Dot user ID. Okay. Yeah, okay. We are winning, guys, okay? So I'm getting the user ID from here. Okay, let's see. Sent by user ID. It's this one. Okay. And then argument of type sent by user ID undefined. Let's see what undefined as string. This is a string. On click. What's the problem with this on click? Void mouse event. Okay, guys, we're getting there. So this is an on click method. So it needs, okay, this is my mistake. I think it needs a function. Takes in a function. Then I can do this in this function. Okay. And then what I want to do at the same time, this is the send. No. This is not the send. This is not the send by user. This is a send to user. Okay, this is the user that we are sending to. And the send by user, I need to get it from here. Const user data is equal to, I think I have used this before. I can just go to a layout and get this. Here is it. Okay, and then how to use it. Let's see. Dot user data dot active what. Okay. Okay. Let's import this. All right, I think I might as well go back to the layout and just copy this as it is. Okay, to make my life easier, where do I want to use this? I want to use this here. Where is that? On click. Where is that on click? Here is the on click. Okay. And then, okay, let me just say, okay, this is sent to user, and then I want sent by user. Okay, const sent by user as a string. Okay, and then let me pass these to here. Oops. Okay, but I don't know why there's a lot of errors, but let me pass these here. And then which one else? What else? Let me pass this one here. Let's see. All right, this is not going to happen. It seems like, right? But why this send user argument of type sent by user string and sent by is not assignable to parameter of type void? Let's see. Maybe I need to const data was equal to this passing expression. Oh, okay, I'm wrong. Okay, this is not supposed to be here. This is supposed to be here. This worked very well. Data is not used. And then let me pass data here. Okay, and then let's go to form mutation. You are supposed to receive something. If not, then we are having a problem. Okay, mutation function, you are receiving data. Data is being received as void. Okay, so maybe I have to type this data, right? I have to type this data, so that means this is what I have to do. Data, and then as data. For now, let me just say any just to test. Data is defined but never used. Then this data, I'm going to use it. Okay. Specific type. Okay, let me just copy this type. Where is that function? Here is the type. Let's see. Okay. Mutation, and then let me type this as what do I want to do? Data. Yes. Type this as this, and then string, and then string. And suppose everything works well. Argument of type is not assignable to what? Parameter of type data, not a problem. I think then can't I pass this as it is? Object literal noun specify noun properties. Okay, so what do I want to do? Okay, let's go to mutation. Now Typescript, it's playing around with me, or my Typescript skills. Okay, on mutation I want to receive data. That's my problem. Okay, it's my problem. I want to receive data, so I need to pass data. I can solve this problem. I don't really have to pass data. Okay, let me do this. Let me remove this. Okay, and let me remove what? And let me remove this. Which one? Let me remove this. And then let me copy this here, comma, and let me copy this here, comma. Unused destructured elements are unused. I really don't mind, because I'm going to use them here. And that is it. Let's go back here and see what is your complaint. I don't think it has got a complaint. No complaint at all. Okay, everything works well. It looks like to me, now we need to go to the API, the API route. Let's go back to the API route. Which one do I want? I want root requests, friend requests. Okay, so where is that? Create API root /requests /friend request. All right, requests friend request .ts. I'm happy with this, and then I'm passing this data. Then I will receive it there and save it on a database, and then I will see what happens. Okay, let's save and go back to test. Refresh here, and then I want to click here, still loading, and then from there need to inspect. Okay, let me go to the network. Okay, I'm sending a friend request to this guy, john@gmail.com, or let's send a friend request to Matthew. I think it's me. So let me send to Mtt redirect. Okay, friend request. I'm happy with this. Okay, there's an error. What is an error? Not found. That is my mistake. Okay, that is my mistake. Let's see. Sent by user. The sent by user has got HTTP upload. That's my mistake. My first one. Sent to user. It's fine. So my payload has got a problem as well. So let's check here. Headers. What is it that you didn't find? I forgot API here. Okay. Check my payload. My sent by user has got a problem. Okay. Let's go back here where we are. Let's start with, okay, let's start with this one. I've got API. Okay. API. I've got root requests. Okay. Root API root requests friend request. Let me just rename and copy it as it is. Copy it as it is. Friend request. You never know. Okay, create API root request friend request. Okay, and what else? Let me go to my sent by somewhere here. Where am I on the table? Yes. Where is mutation.mutate? Where am I getting this sent by? As you can see, this is not an ID. Where is dot active ID? Okay, this is the sent by. I'm happy with this. Now I need to figure out why met request friend request. Okay, I'm happy with the data and the payload. Let's check on headers. Okay, let me go and check here. What is the problem? Okay, let's see. API, post on API, root, requests, friend requests. It doesn't see it. Let's double check. Maybe I'm getting old. API, API. Here is /API. Let me just go to any form here. Let me just go to any form. Let's say here, sign up form. Okay, let's go to the mutation. Where is the mutation? Form mutation. API auth sign up. Okay. Then we can go back to where am I? I think I'm here on the table. Maybe let's okay. API. Okay, I think there's something wrong here. Auth. Yes. And then this is root. This is not the one that I want. I want API. What is red here? Root. API root. API root. Okay, API root. Requests. Let me just rename it. Requests. Inside request, we've got what? Friend requests. And just remove .ts. Remove .ts, and let's just end it with a /. Save it. And then let's go back. Try again. Okay, let's see. Send a friend request to this guy. Okay. What can I do? Let me do it like this. Let me copy this route. Copy this route to auth. Okay. Just put it here on auth, and that's it. And then, where am I here? This is okay. All right, and let's see now. This is under auth, and then I want to go to root, chat area, table client, then API auth, and that is it. API auth. Once you get to API auth, and then you see the route. Let me just remove all these things that are causing the errors. Let me click save. Now there are no errors here. Let's go back here and let's see. Try again. Send a request. Now it's auth. Yes, everything is working. Okay. I wonder what was the problem there. Okay, and then let's go to this one. Let's look. Do we have any other thing? Users, it's 4. Requests, it's 0. Let's refresh. There is one request here. Okay, and it looks like we have one. Okay, we have managed to send a friend request. Okay, I hope guys you have enjoyed this one. As you have seen, it was a bit tricky. Maybe on the next video we'll just have to change the route so that it could be on a proper place. Okay, and that will be it. So if you might want to learn more from me, please don't forget to come to Udemy. Okay, check the link in the description below. There are two awesome courses: React Advanced Component Composition and Next.js Shard UI. I'm Mtt Component, the designer and developer from South Africa. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.